zoomed all the way out. At the base. I'm getting baseballs running away from this. This thing could cross the road and we're going to be in baseballs. Wrapping around. The cows are running. Oh, it's going to cross the road. It's going to cross the road right here. Crossing the road. Here comes the hail.
You're gonna get big hail if you stay here.
God, the motion is incredible in that thing. It really is. Oh. Oh, there's hail. Oh, and there it goes. Careful, whatever. Scott, what are you doing?
Pedal right down, pedal right down.
Okay, I guess we're getting it. big baseballs now. Oh! It's hitting my ceiling so hard that like the lights are falling off. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Hail's coming in somewhere. My back window's broken out. I'm trying to do a little protection there.
But I think there's a lot of down here in the road. There's another big hole down up ahead. Hi guys, I'd like to get by here.
Driving over power lines, no choice. God, there are all kinds of power lines down here. That was a big tornado.
Guys, did you snake by?
Yeah, I got through.
My hood and the side of my truck look like just got his ass kicked. Hey, Dave.
See, we're filming the damage because what else can we do? This is unreal. This is really unreal. This beat up metal, like somebody took a baseball bat. The lights are out. This is just it's amazing damage is what it is. It's really incredible. This, I'll probably have to get that one replaced anyway, because that's just beyond the pale. Look at that, skydiary.com remains intact. The windshield.
It actually dislodged this from the friggin' frame of the car. Look at the hail guard. There's another reason why I didn't crack the windshield. It ripped it apart. These were all softball impacts, but as you can see, the glass is intact. Take a look at my hood. Now that's a dent.
Mine looks like that too.
And I lost.
It's very sad.
I actually lost one of my windshield hail guards. It's gone. God, look at. Oh my God. Look at the paint here.
Yeah, I have paint scraped off mine as well.
Oh.
No, you really have it scraped off.
Oops.
Oh, look at the craters in the roof here. Holy shit. Well, I'm glad there's plastic. I really thought these side windows would hold up better. I'm disappointed, to say the least.